Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. I greet you now, my people. Another pastor don't come. Another pastor don't come. If you see this video, oh my God, I know we'll put am for here. I beg, go watch am for Facebook. I no fit put am for here. See this pastor, wetin dey do with this woman belle. Maybe una don see am. I put my hand for my head. I dey shout. Person wey dey look for pikin, you wan pray for am. Make I tell una as e take happen, but the video I no put am for here. Go watch am for Facebook. Many of una don still see am. As I see am, my mouth no gree, e no gree close again. Na so e open for ground. Say, why e be say some people they no dey use their brain and maybe they no get again, or I try to talk am, maybe they wash am with bleach, pure bleach, then bleach am comot. You dey look for pikin. This one, if dey look for pikin, go meet pastor. He sit down, pastor wan pray for am, he put leg for e belle. If you see as e dey press am, if you see as e dey match am, oh God. I hold my head, I say, this one na prayer? This one na prayer? How pikin want to enter that belle? Maybe na after e don destroy the belle, as e don press am, if you see am, una watch am, una try, una watch am. I no put am for here. If I put am for here, YouTube no go allow am. See as e dey press the belle, person wey dey look for pikin, na so you want to pray for am. Why e be say some people dem dey look for pikin? You believe say na pastor na go help you. You believe say na pastor na go help you. Me, I don't know. I don't know. I don't say God not there. Me, I believe my God on my own. I believe God on my own. No come tell me say God dey. No tell me. Me, I know say my God dey. He dey my side. Your own God is still dey your side. Depends as you take call your God. Go meet pastor. May pray for you. He put his leg for his belle. He dey press am. If you see am, dey match am. Now say, see now. I dey talk am for inside my mind though. Maybe now see dey press am, now see dey match the belle now. E go get problem for inside there. No be pikin again, no be you go define no. Another thing go dey say, this belle I don't know wetin dey do some of our people. They too get that belief. They just carry pastor, they put am for inside their brain. Anything wey pastor talk, na dem dey do. Even though say you tell them say this thing wey you dey do, you no know say e dey wrong. E go tell you say na a pastor say make you do am like that. Can you imagine? Some of our people, I don't know wetin dey do them. I know say make you no believe on your pastor. No be everything wey pastor tell you now you go dey do. Use your common sense if you still get, because all those people they no get again. They no get again. Like this lady, me I still quick on this one. Like this lady where the video, I think na Sapele Road, na for happen. I been not know where for happen. When people they carry the rumors, they go say the woman turned to bed. Say na a trailer, whether na trailer driver be, I don't know. Say na he can't hit the bed, so the woman can't turn to the lady can't turn to a woman, can't turn to person. But later we can't see here down. As I sit down, I know even I say, oh God, what be all this thing? Later, na the woman, people wey you know her family come carry and say no be witch. The woman come dey talk say she be witch na so she dey do this one na so she dey do that one. Now later now we come hear wetin really happen when they come carry the woman go hospital. The woman come dey talk say na pastor give am something drink. Na pastor, na a friend, na carry am go pastor. He give am something drink, so she no come know wetin she dey do again. Wetin dey worry our people? If doctor tell them say make dem dey take medicine, dem no go meet pastor. Pastor go tell them say una not take, una throw am. Baba God dey go help una. Una come, na so go dey slap them. Na so go dey beat them. They say the something go. I know wetin dey do some of our people. They no dey go hospital again, or they just believe say pastor go heal them. Pastor never heal himself finish. And I go come heal you. Na so you see, so you tell them, they will go hospital, they will tell them say, see wetin dey do you. You go say, doctor na doctor, I wan go meet my pastor say me I no dey take this medicine again, he say me I dey drink this water. You know wetin dey that water wey me dey drink? My brothers and sisters, something dey happen. Our people, their brain, they don turn am upside down. They don use bleach take wash everything. They don wash the sense comot. Na their pastor brain na they come dey use. If the pastor tell them say make dem sit down, they will sit down. If you see wetin this pastor do to this woman wey dey look for pikin, na so you wan take pray for am. You wan destroy im belle, you wan destroy am because of say na pray, you wan pray for am, and dem dey clap for am for there. Dem dey clap for am. Because e get wetin we get for inside our belle. You know say sometimes if you when you wear ghetto, when you wear only ghetto wey no be say person dey match am with leg o, when you go wear am, your belle go dey tell you say remove am. E go dey tell you say remove am. You go dey feel something for inside say comot this ghetto wey you wear. You go come comot am. Maybe you too tight am, you go come adjust am, come comot am. Talk let us say this one, e just dey match am. E dey match am. Abeg make una go watch am, my brother and sister. I go put am for my Facebook page, because I no fit put am for here, because that kind thing I no know wetin. If I see people wey too carry church, I will just say this one they don wash the brain. I no fit. You no get your mouth wey you take call. Wetin pastor take dey pray, no be im mouth take dey call. No be im mouth wan take pray. And all this fake something wey dem dey do, you go say I go pray for you, no worry, make I match that your belle. You go just sit down say make e really dey match am for you. E go dey match am for the one destroy am. Maybe after e don match am for you now, the next day na hospital na you go dey for bed. My brothers and sisters, na so I just see am reach, because I just say me I just talk this one, but I no fit put the video, make una no vex. Watch am. Some of una don still see am, because as I see am now, I say no, wait, this one na wow. I will put am for my page. Now watch out for there. I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. One love, my brothers and sisters. Thank you for being there for me. I love you all. I will anything where I see, where I just see, I will still dey talk am. I will still dey put am. I will still dey talk am, my brothers and sisters, because I am forward now. So greeting to you all. One love. Happy new month. May God bless you all for being in our YouTube channel, even our Facebook page. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Please always leave your comments. Always like our video. If you see say something where we dey talk, something where they talk, if there you like am, I bet they put like. It no cost anything. Just press am. It no dey cost. Thank you. Bye.